Hey guys, it's me Miraya from Around Miraya. So today I'm going to be making...
TIRAYA, can you please get me a coffee?
Oh, how about I show you guys a video of how to make a frothy black coffee. Papa, your black coffee is coming.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Let's go. For more videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Guys, my dad always asks me to make him black coffee. I never actually got the chance to show you how to make it, so I'm going to show you now. And this is going to be the most tastiest coffee ever. Maybe not the most tastiest, but it will be delicious. So let's get on with the ingredients and steps. You will need 1 mug, some coffee, a whisk, and a plate and some snacks for presentation. The first step is you need to fill your mug with about half weight of water. Now, we are ready to put in our coffee. You want to put about a teaspoon of coffee, but I just take it out of the container. Pour it in your mug. Don't push too much coffee or it will become an espresso. Then you want to move the coffee a bit. And then you want to put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. The coffee is now nice and warm. You now want to take your whisk. It should be small enough to fit in the mug. And place it inside. Start stirring it a bit like this. Then put both of your hands here, like you're clapping, like with this between. And then roll your hands like this. Let me show you a bit more about how it's done. As you can see, the coffee is getting all bubbly up. And there you have your nice froth. You can mix it for long if you want the froth to be really bubbly, like I do. But make sure you don't spill the coffee. That's happened to me a couple of times. That escalated pretty quickly. But before you go, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to all your friends who work at night and get pretty tired because they need a good coffee. Please don't tell anybody I'm eating some chips. Anyways, I'll see you all next time, but remember, kids should not drink coffee. Well, if you're under 10, then it's pretty safe not to drink coffee because Coffee has lots of caffeine in it. It could harm you. I'm 9 and I hate coffee. I tried it. Anyways, bye bye.